Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be doing a hair styling video. I don't think I've ever done a video like this before, but I wanted to go ahead and share what I do and the products I use when I blow dry and style my hair. I don't do this very often because I'm really lazy, but when I do need to like style it and I wash it, this is typically what I do. So my hair right now is about, I don't know, 60% dry, 70% maybe. I have a lot of hair, so it takes a long time for my hair to dry. Even just to air dry, it takes like a full day. So I've been kind of just like towel drying it. I've, did my makeup. I kind of like put myself together. So it's been a while since I washed it. At least today it's been a few hours. But yeah, I usually like to wait for it to get a little bit dry. If I don't have time, then I will take like a normal blow dryer and just kind of like roughly dry it. And then I will go in with this thing. This is the infamous Revlon like blow dryer brush thing that I swear everybody and their mother has. So I'll use this sometimes. Or honestly, sometimes I just like throw it in a bun. Like, I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, so usually what I do first is I'll take some of this SGX NYC Bond Repairs and Strengths Hair with Bond Building Technology Hair IQ. I don't really know. I just picked this up at, I think it was Target like a while ago. I normally like to use the Healthy Sexy Hair Love Oil, I think is what it's called. But I haven't had that in a while, and I want to use this up first before I go ahead. Something just fell. Oh. I wanted to use this up first before I purchase that, because I don't like to hoard a ton of hair products. I used to be one of those people, and I don't want to be anymore because I just end up like never using anything. All right, then I go through and I actually brush my hair, which my hair is actually more like damp towards the back than it is towards the front. And I like to use this wet brush. There's like a ton of hair on it, but I use this wet brush. I think I got it at like TJ Maxx, but I know you can get these at Target, Amazon, so I'll be sure to link everything I use down below in the description box. So I just go through and kind of brush it out, make sure it's not tangled or anything. And then I will actually take a heat protectant. I love this one. This one smells so good. I need to get more because I'm almost out. But this is the Sun Bum Heat Protector Premium Leave-In Hair Treatment enriched with Tahitian noni and giant sea kelp extracts. I mean, I don't know what that means, but I really like it. It's like it's paraben-free, sulfate-free, color-safe. It also protects your hair from the sun. So you could also put this on before you are going to like the beach or something to protect your hair from getting like dry and damaged. So I'm just gonna spray this generously in my hair. It smells so good, you guys. It smells so good. Anyway, I'm gonna brush out my hair one more time just to kind of work that product through. Okay, and now I usually like to section my hair in, I don't know, probably like 6 in 6 maybe. So I take about a third of my hair. Okay. So now I have these like bottom sections here, and then I just divide them in 2. And then I take my hair dryer. My cat is gonna get scared right now. I'm gonna open the door so he can run out if he wants to. I basically just run the dryer through my hair, and I just keep doing that until I kind of like how it looks. Well, sometimes if I have like a lot of extra time, I will take a straightener as well and just kind of like flatten out my hair just to make sure that it's like stick straight, but I don't really want to do that right now. I just want to dry my hair, so I'm not going to do that, but I usually will do that too. So let's keep going. So once I'm done with a section, I will just flip it to the back. Okay, now we're gonna move on to this side. So I just quickly brush through it one more time and then have at it. All right, so that part of my hair is done. And so I just kind of throw it to the back and then I keep going. So we've made it to the top of my head. And now what I do is I will create the part that I want. I'll probably do a middle part eventually, but I don't know. I haven't worn a side part in a little bit, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then again, same thing, just go ahead and turn on your hairbrush blow dryer and blow dry. It's actually like super easy and super fast if your hair is almost dry, because all you're really doing is just kind of like styling it in a sense. So I definitely recommend waiting until your hair is a little bit air dried, just so that you're not spending hours like trying to fully dry your hair from soaking wet. I'm actually gonna make 2 sections out of this piece because it's kind of thick. And again, you guys, I have a lot of hair, so no matter what I do, doing my hair is just a chore. I will use this product right here. This is the Argan Oil of Morocco Weightless Healing Dry Oil by OGX. I've been using this for a few years. I don't use it often because I'm telling you, I don't do my hair as much as I used to. But basically, I just spray some of this on my hair and on the brush too. And I will just brush it through my hair, and it kind of like tames the flyaways and it tames the frizz. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It just works, and it doesn't leave you with like a greasy, oily feeling. It's a dry oil, so it just leaves your hair soft and just kind of like silky feeling. So I just take some hairspray. This is the Garnier Fructis hairspray. I just literally hairspray my hair, and then just kind of like brush it down so that I don't have, I mean, flyaways are kind of a pain because eventually they'll come back, but just to kind of tame them a little bit, I like to do that. But yeah, that is basically all that I do to my hair to kind of style it from wet to dry. So I really hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. I will have everything that I use linked below down in the description box, so feel free to check that out. And yeah, I think that's it. If you're not following me on Instagram, I highly recommend that you do. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. It is free, and give this video a thumbs up. And that's it. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.